What exactly does a non-shallow Filecmp.Cmp do? I'm using Python 2.6.2. The docs for the Filecmp module say, the Filecmp module defines functions to compare files and directories with various optional time/correctness trade-offs. And of the Filecmp.Cmp function. Filecmp.Cmp f1, f2 shallow compare the files named f1 and f2 returning true if they seem equal, false otherwise. Unless shallow is given and is false, files with identical os.stat signatures are taken to be equal. What they don't do is specify just what is the correctness level one obtains with shallow equals false. So, what does shallow equals false do? How correct is it?
Consulting the source filecmp.py reveals that if shallow equals false, filecmp.cmp first checks a few select properties of os.stat, regardless of whether shallow is true or false. If the stat properties that are examined are the same, it returns true. Else, it checks its internal cache to see if the files have already been compared earlier. If it has, it returns true. Else, it reads buff size is equal to 8 times 1024 chunks of data from both files and does an exact contents comparison until it reaches the end of the file. It returns true if the two files have exactly the same contents.
Период сегодня, 200 сыровина,